This is the piano instrumental in Royal Blood. There are 4 sets of triplets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and those just come in different patterns for the melody line. So I'm going to play it through for you slowly. Jump the octave and do the same thing. So my recommendation to get this faster is just like you can roll your chords and get those notes to come one after each other really fast, I would practice going through all of the triplets and just rolling them. This will get you a little bit faster than they played at the song, so then when you actually play it, you'll slow it down slightly to about this speed.